South Florida Jewish Academy, to me, is a school, but it's also a family. Every child learns differently, and everything is at the child's pace, which I thought was really exceptional.
The night before school, my son sets his own alarm, prepares his bag, and gets ready for a good night's sleep. And he goes happily into the car to come to school. So step one is just getting there with a positive attitude. That's one area that we consider to be a massive area of growth and a win for the day, even before the day started.
You know, the first day when we dropped her off, she cried. She was so scared. And then, you know, we picked her up and the smile was from ear to ear, and it got her on day one.
The most important thing is for a school to build self-esteem and not break it down. And that's what I feel SFJA does.
I came for an interview with him for the first time, and we walked in the building, and there's a calmness here that I've never felt in any other building, in any other school. That when we walked out of that interview, my son for the first time said to me, "Mommy, I think I can feel comfortable here."
The philosophy that I was looking for when I was looking for a school is that Torah isn't an academic subject. It's a way of life. It's who we are. So here it's you know, it's in every fiber of your being, and that's definitely how it's being taught here.
I like all the teachers in the school because they really care about me, and they try to make me comfortable.
The studies are amazing, the academics are great, they're high standards. What I found was really amazing is that I'm able to talk to the teachers, talk to the staff. This school actually genuinely cares about you. And all that, it will help me get better, it will help me get into college, it will help me be overall in a really good position.
My mother found this school, SFJA, online, and we came to check it out, and it was just like this. It all fit into place right then and there.
My family moved here from Chicago, and we needed a school to go to, and we shadowed here for like a day, and we found out that we really enjoyed it. It's a smaller building. It's not like so big and overwhelming. The teachers seemed really nice, and the kids seemed welcoming, and it just seemed like a very good fit.
I have to tell you, sometimes it's sad in my part to see them graduate, because we created a bond. It's really an amazing experience to see these children grow and become wonderful, positive human beings, and come back and visit us and tell us how much they appreciate being here.
South Florida Jewish Academy is a school where no child ever has to think about being included. I would say that we are a school of outstanding academic excellence, and I would say that we are unique in that our students learn their culture, they learn their faith, they learn their religion. The Judaic studies are incredible, and they learn to love and respect who they are.
It's taking what they're learning and making it hands-on, to make it everything that they're doing, that it's part of their life, that they're not just learning something to just learn it, that they're learning it and understanding why they're learning it. And that's what we try to do with everything we teach.